What's up, YouTube? I want to show you guys what the Harley looks like with the rims on. Long time coming. Got the 21-inch by 3.5 on the front, DNA fat spoke, mammoth fat spoke. Also have the rotors. Also the bolts to go with the rims and rotors. I also have the tire pressure monitors installed front and back. The rear rim is an 18 by 5.5. Tire pressure monitors on deck. 39 in front, 41 in back. Before I forget, I want to give a shout out to Detroit Chopper. They got me in Friday, finally. Friday at about 9 o'clock. As soon as they opened, they were calling me at 1 on the dot, telling me to come pick my bike up. And I mean, the service was excellent. They even went to the extent of pulling the code off of my OEM rims, my old rims, and putting it on them just in case I needed to reinstall them to my bike, or if I sold them to somebody else, they don't have to open the rim and tire up to get that tire pressure monitor code off of the TPMS monitors. So yeah, let me guys know what you think. The Harley's looking real clean. Real clean. On the 18th, I'm gonna go have the headers installed and the bike retuned. I think that's what I'm gonna have done as far as yet. You guys let me know what you think, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please don't forget that. Look how those slash cuts sitting out the back from under those bags. Those are S&S, for those who don't know, those are S&S slip-ons. When I went in to get those, I was looking for the reverse cut, but they didn't have those available. They just had these. So I like these a lot better for some odd reason. I just like the way they stick out from under the bag. I don't have to worry about those exhaust fumes messing up the back of the bags. The Harley is actually dirty now. I didn't wash it yet because I have to take it to the shop Saturday to get some minor work done. As you can see, I got bug spatter on it. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I think the bike rides better with these rims. To me, it's just a lot smoother. It's like, it feels more planted, I should say, you know. But on the downside, the bumps are a little bit rougher. Not a lot, but I could tell they're a little bit more, you know, rougher with the 21-inch on it, of course. That front tire is a low pro. I think the back tire is too. Yeah, matter of fact, it is. I was looking for the white walls, and I was disappointed that I didn't find them in time. But I mean, I think I like the black walls a lot better. I just don't know why, but they look a lot better to me. This is like my style, you know. I know the white walls would have made it like really classy, but this right here makes it look, you know, just in between casual and classy, you know. Makes it look aggressive also. Real quick, you guys know what I do on my channel: motorcycle videos, car videos, and if I see the occasional crackhead doing something crazy, I'm gonna record it and post it. Not that I have anything against crackheads. They're really funny people. They just smoke crack, that's all. But yeah, so anyway, do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell. I appreciate you guys.